Negative habits that slowly destroy your life. Subscribe my channel for more videos. The first negative habit is waiting for motivation. You wait to feel ready. You wait to feel excited. You wait for the right mood. That day rarely comes. While you wait, time moves on. Opportunities pass. Your life stays the same. Action should come first. Motivation comes after. The second negative habit is overthinking everything. Thinking again and again. Imagining problems that don't exist. Overthinking steals energy, creates fear, stops action. Most things are not as hard as your mind makes them. The third negative habit is comparing yourself to others. You see their success. You see their highlights. You don't see their struggle. Comparison makes you feel behind, even when you're moving forward. Everyone has a different path. Comparison only slows yours. The fourth negative habit is scrolling too much. Endless videos, endless posts. Hours disappear. Your focus breaks. Your mind becomes tired. You feel busy, but you build nothing. Time spent scrolling is time not lived. The fifth negative habit is making excuses. I'm tired. I'll start tomorrow. It's not the right time. Excuses feel safe, but they quietly kill progress. Every excuse you accept makes the next one easier. The sixth negative habit is avoiding hard things. You delay difficult tasks. You escape discomfort. But hard things don't go away. They grow. Avoidance builds fear. Facing builds strength. The seventh negative habit is negative self-talk. I'm not good enough. I always fail. I can't do this. Your mind believes what you repeat. Speak badly to yourself long enough, and you'll stop trying. The eighth negative habit is sleeping late and resting poorly. Late nights, tired mornings. Poor sleep weakens focus. It weakens discipline. It weakens decisions. A tired mind makes bad choices. The ninth negative habit is not finishing what you start. You start excited. You stop halfway, again and again. This trains your mind to quit. It destroys self-trust. Finishing is more important than starting. The last negative habit is ignoring small problems. You say, "It's nothing. I'll deal with it later." Small problems grow when ignored. They don't disappear. Fix small issues early, before they control your life. Feel awake. Change starts the moment you notice. Drop one negative habit. Replace it with one better action. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be honest. Your future is built by what you do every day. One try more.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and press a bell icon for receiving notification of my new videos.